Hi everyone! Welcome to the second Roller Coaster STEM Kit video. My name is Margaret, and today we'll be going over the connector pieces in your roller coaster kit. First off, we have the blue connector pieces. This blue connector is useful for building in 3 dimensions. So you can slide 2 blue pieces together, like so. You take the 2 indents, slide them together until you hear a click, and then you can connect your rod pieces in 3 dimensions. So as you can see, we can build to the left and the right sides, we can build straight forward, or we can build up. And this will help when you're finalizing your design for the loop. So to detach the blue pieces, you have to find the edges and bend them back slightly. And they should slide apart. You might have to use a little bit of force, and if you can't get it, don't worry about it. You can always just return it to us and we'll do it for you. Next off, we have the red connector piece. This red connector can be used to connect rods in a flat plane, and it spans 180 degrees. So it has indents for 5 rods. Ultimately, you might not need to use all 5 indents, but they are there for you. Next up, we have the white connector piece. This white connector can be used when building at an angle. So when you want to stabilize the roller coaster tracks, you can try connecting rods to this piece. And it spans 135 degrees, and it has indents for 4 rods. So if you need to stabilize the tracks while you're making the loop, you can always use this piece. Next up, we have the yellow connector. This yellow connector is usually used at the corners since it spans 90 degrees, and it has indents for 3 rods. So you can place your rods like this. And to provide extra strength for your roller coaster base, you can also connect pieces diagonally to form triangles, like that. And you might imagine it more like this, where you have the longer triangle, and then obviously you would use the right length of rods. Next up, we have this orange connector. This can be used by sliding it through a rod, and then now you can use this to connect your rods at small angles. And finally, we have this purple connector. So this purple connector is extremely useful if you simply just need to stick a piece straight up from an already existing rod. So you clip it on, make sure you hear the click, and then you can connect your pieces upward, like so. Those are all the pieces that you'll be given in the kit, and make sure you tune in to the next video where we'll be talking about those connector pieces that we introduced a little bit in this video.